I look kind of rough right now, but today was like a rush day for me. I started off well, woke up early, you know, got myself together, but as usual, I was looking for a bag with like my camera stuff, and I kept coming back in the house, coming back out, and yeah, it was a mess. And guess what? Just a while ago, I checked my bag, the back of the car, and the bag is in there. So I wasted a good 15-20 minutes looking for this out of my time when it did in the car the whole time. So today is another day, and I am going swimming. This time I'm going in the early morning so I can get it out of the way, which is great. And then yeah, start the rest of my day. So I have the rest of my day to do other stuff. Okay, so I didn't have to get in the water today, which is good. I just did I went over some stuff, so it was less water, thank God, because my hair, when I go, well, I think when I go home now, I'm gonna go moisturize my hair. But today at least I have time to go make my body butter. I actually have to edit a video, so I'm gonna know which one I'm gonna first, make the body butter or edit the video. I don't know how long the video editing will go, but I know how long the body butter making will go. So I think I'm going to prioritize that because I need a whipped body butter video for my business channel, because my hours them are go down. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna prioritize, making the whipped body butter, and then do a little vlog for that. I like that. I like that idea there. Anyways, bit of a good day so far. So time to go home. Haven't had anything to eat, and I'm gonna take more eat, and well, I did eat one of the waffle stuff then, but yeah, let's head home. All right, so now I am getting ready to make some body butters. I am finished, and look at it. I feel like I should have vlogged me making the body butter, but this is it. Should have vlogged me and make it, but this is it. If you never know, I used to make this all the time for my business. This is actually one of my old business jars, the eczema body butter. That's not the one that's in here. I think I should make that one too in my on my business channel. But I used to do this all the time, and I made some for us now for the home. But I'm gonna have to make some more tomorrow as well, because I put sweet almond oil in it, and I want to make one with jojoba oil. I actually want to make the eczema one, but I'm gonna make the mocha latte one, the one with the it has like a chocolate coffee scent, the chocolate avocado, the cocoa butter, and the coffee. I'm actually gonna make coffee infused oil so we can get that fragrance. Like, it smells so good. So I'm gonna do that one day tomorrow. I'm off in order for me to do that. I forget infuse my oil. So yeah, I forgot to leave it overnight in warm water. Yeah, I'm gonna use a slow cooker and do it. For tonight, slow cooker and leave it overnight. Okay.
Nothing about him, like he never existed. And I swear, the next day, his job was posted on the website for grabs. Like he never existed, you know? And I just don't.
Alright, it's a new day, and I'm getting back in my walking bag. Like, I'm gonna start walking again. I had stopped for quite some time, so now that I have a little bit more time before I work, I'm gonna go ahead and take my morning walk. It probably won't be that long. It's probably gonna be a short one because I need gas. So I'm gonna do like 25 minutes. I don't know how much miles that's gonna be, and come back, and then we figure out how we're gonna go get gas. So yeah, so we're gonna do that now. So I'm doing my walk. I'm gonna put my phone down in a few, but I was like, I think fall is starting right now because it's a bit chilly. I didn't expect that, so I'm gonna go ahead and next time I come out here, I'm gonna dress for fall and not sprinter. It's gonna be more of my fall fit. But today is pretty empty today. I guess because I haven't been here since like 2-3 months, and usually back then when I come here it was like summertime, so you see more people. But I guess everybody gonna work now. Well, I guess it works. back in the car. I'm going to post how much I walked today, and it wasn't a lot. I think it was 1.5 miles, but I didn't like walk in a community. It was, you know, in a actual walking designated area, so I just kept walking around. It felt longer than that, but it was like 20 something minutes as I suspected. I know I head back at the house so I can edit and, you know, go on with my day. Oh no, I need gas too. But yeah, it feels good when I walk. Like, I enjoy myself. So I'll definitely be doing this again. So yeah, I'll pick you guys back up when I have to get gas and the kids need juice, so I might have to go to Walmart as well. Okay. Okay, so I'm just finished get gas. I'm just pump. At the first time I put gas in the car right now. Never know, say it doesn't have, you guys don't have like tops anymore. You just push it in the little hole thingy. But now I have to do like my Walmart run. I just need egg and the juice for the kids, and that's and I have to make a return. Good thing I come here. All right. Okay, so I'm in Walmart now getting the food, and yeah, honestly, I've never done extra shopping today. I'm doing better at just coming and getting what I want and not much extra. I want to make pasta tomorrow, so I got some vegetable broth for that. And yeah, that's about it. Just gonna make some pasta tomorrow. You guys know I'm an apple cider junkie, so I had to re-up on some apple cider, and this is the apple cider, like a refresher, so you can just drink it like a juice. So I'm gonna get the lemon one in that, and I got the what do you call it, the hibiscus one. So if you're somebody who if you don't want to take the shot of this, then this tastes much better and works just the same, but it's just that you pay. They get more from this than them one, but I like drink them one too. So I just pulled up back in the house, and I'm now gonna go ahead and pack out what I got from Walmart, and I still have to mop the floor before I go upstairs and edit. It's almost 12 o'clock, so let's get that done. I look like light gun. I'm on a flashlight. It's been a whirlwind. Well, not in a bad way. Like, I've just been doing a lot of things, and it's just for welcome back to the newbies, oldies but goodies. Big up on myself. It's a new day, and a lot has been going on. Like, you know, I've been purging. Like, I don't know if it's because of the end of the year is coming nearby. I've just been purging till I can't purge no more. So I've been doing that a lot today, and I haven't been able to like pick up the camera. So now it's time to go cook some dinner. Yeah, that's how late it is. I'm gonna go put up my video for today. I'm